Welcome back to Coin Compass. Today I'm hyped to talk about 5 coins that are blowing up right now. Bitcoin's chilling at 120,000, which is amazing, but altcoins are starting to steal the spotlight. So grab yourself a coffee, smash that like button, and let's jump right in. First up is Pudgy Penguins, the NFT meme coin everybody has talking about lately. It's almost at 3 cent and it has made a wild 27% in the last 24 hours. But why is it popping? So the NFT market's currently back again on fire with trading volume and spiking that Pudgy's team has teamed up with Web3 gaming platforms to make their token even more useful. So let's take a look at what has happened since we looked at Pengu the last time, and it has made at its peak 127%. So you have doubled the money in around, it was not 18 days, sorry, it was from here. Today it was 7 days, so 1 week we have doubled the money with that entry here. So now what are we seeing and what am I expecting? Let me remove this here. We have a lot of volume coming in and I do expect some retracement the next week because there was a big push and this is also an option here. So maybe it was just a dead cat bounce and then we go back down, which to be honest I'm not expecting here first, but I want to see, for a healthy market, I want to see a retracement somewhere back in this area, maybe even down here, and from there on we could go so that we create some sort of support level here. And if we look at this whole move, this aligns with the 0.8 retracement, so I would not panic if we get an entry. It's around the $0.2 mark. Next we got Sui, a super fast layer 1 blockchain sitting at almost $4 here and is up 12% today. Its DeFi scene is exploding with new integrations pumping up the total value locked. Devs are all over it, launching dApps like crazy, and some big venture capital cash has just poured in, showing major confidence in the future of Sui. So let's take a look at the chart and what has happened over the last weeks. So with Sui we have made a big expansion of around, let's say, a 10x here at peak. Then we have retraced around the 61% retracement, and we are currently forming somewhat of a two-legged pullback. So we have one leg, a push up, second leg, push up, and here we are looking for a breakout. So what you could do if you want to still catch a move here, do not get feared by this push to the upside, but I would wait for a break and close above this level, so you could enter a swing position here with your stop below there. We have a 50% stop here to target, let's say, a 1-to-1. Or what you could do is, and what I'm also expecting here, to get a push and then see a retracement first. Here it's a little bit hard to define into which area, so I cannot define a spot right now where it's likely that we will retrace into. But first we need to see a break of this high and then we can get a retracement. Maybe we also get a push here and then this will become our new support area, so you could play it from here. But for now it's looking good. We have a two-leg pullback, push to the upside. Of course, first target is the $5 level here, which we are looking forward to break. Now let's take a look at, say, a DeFi focused layer 1, which is up at around $33, almost 8% today, and Say has been killing it with new liquidity pools and partnership with top exchanges for better trading pairs. We have seen a hype also here in the last week, and we have made a clear uptrend. On the weekly chart we have bounced from, also you could see this as a support here. So this is our area where we bounced from. Now looking to push to the upside and maybe get back into here where you could enter a trade. But if you're looking for a trade, this with, let's say, a little bit room for trading like this is a possible entry you can take here. You see we have a clear structure. We made double bottom pattern, break, retest, and then we can look for longs here, expecting the $72 to be hit first. Now it is time for a little bit of a meme coin, Bonk. Bonk is a Solana meme coin with mad community love. It is up, or was up before the retracement, around 8% today, and it's just all over X. It keeps pumping, and if we look at the chart, we have also here again supported our area from here, broke the last high, and here I would also not panic, wait for retracement, probably back somewhere. If we push a little bit higher, then we can get a retracement into this area around here. So looking at around this area, which would be the highs up here, so a little bit higher, trade into and then reverse, and here you could look for entries to target new highs here. Last but not least, we have Hedera. The Hashgraph powered coin is sitting back at $25. It's up huge in the last week. You see almost 60%. They're landing big enterprise deals in supply chain and finance, pushing real world use. So what I'm expecting from Hedera here, we have supported this area here. It was our 61, a little bit deeper retracement. If you do not incorporate the wicks, you see it was 61% retracement, and we have seen a good bullish reaction here, also expecting some retracement, but maybe we also get a move like here on the left side. On the weekly candle, if you're looking for an entry at this break here and you do not mind maybe sitting a little bit in drawdown, as we might retrace in here, but often it's better time in the markets than timing in the markets, and you could still aim for these last highs, which would give you a profit of 100% of this move here. Maybe price will come in here, and from there on it moves to the upside, but giving you a good reason to put your stop below here. Also, we have formed a double bot break retest. That's what we are looking for. Coming to the end of this video, I hope you have enjoyed my little outlook on the 5 coins we were looking at and hoping them to perform over the next month. And if you don't want to miss any updates about these coins, make sure to like this video, follow Coin Compass on YouTube or X so you don't miss out any of the important news. See you on the next one. Bye bye.